How to adjust the container's center of gravity through manual edit. Let's take a look at the specific steps. After calculating the container loading plan, click on the balance analysis on the right. You will notice that the container's center of gravity is leaning towards the front. To adjust the center of gravity, click on Manual Edit at the top in this interface. You can use the mouse scroll wheel to zoom in and out. In the lower right corner of the page, you can see the real-time position of the container's center of gravity. To adjust the center of gravity, swap the positions of heavy and light cargo. Click and hold the left mouse button to drag these two cargo outside the container. Then, place them in each other's positions. If you encounter any jumping of cargo when placing them, simply press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard to prevent the cargo block from jumping. Once the cargo has been adjusted, you will notice that the center of gravity in the lower right corner is no longer off-center. Click Save and then return to the container loading plan page. You can click on Balance Analysis to check the center of gravity's position, and you will see that it is no longer off-center. Do you want to try this? Go to http LoadMaster. BIZ to feel the magic.